Hey there everybody, my name is Mac and I'm going to be giving you a quick demo on what I've been working on this quarter. So I've been building out our Trails database. So since a lot of it's going on in the back end, I thought I'd give you guys a quick high-level overview with this diagram just to kind of show you the workflow of my processes. So my initial data source is the OpenStreetMaps database. This is a crowdsourced mapping database. It kind of, you can think of it as Wikipedia meets Google Maps. So yeah, I pull all of the data down via the Overpass API. I wrote a Python script to do this for me. It basically automatically and programmatically breaks down different regions into chunks. So it can avoid rate limits. It then translates the downloaded JSON into GeoJSON. What I'd like to do is a little bit more data normalization and kind of like junk data point removal. I'll be adding that in the next couple weeks. And then I'd also like to enrich the Trails database with different images and then points of interest like parking lots, water sources, etc. So anyways, like I said, this Python script outputs the GeoJSON. I then manually upload it to MongoDB. This will be automated as I scale the data set to the United States and then eventually the world. So this database is then queried by my Flask API, which then allows you to search for trails by name and then calculates the distance from the given latitude and longitude to grab the closest end trails. Down the line for next quarter, I would like to build out this search function and add more filters. So yeah. Anyways, I'll kind of show you guys how the Flask API looks. So it responds to a query with a JSON array, which is then parsed by the app and then auto-populates with the results. So right now, I think I'm showing the closest 5 to a given latitude and longitude. Just to show you that it's not hard-coded, I will now change it to 15 to a completely different latitude and longitude. It will take a second for the JSON to pull down as I open up the portion, just because it downloads it right as the navigation button is clicked. So it does take a second. I will be implementing a caching system, so it'll cache the JSON as the app loads. But yeah, so now it is returning the closest 15 to the user's latitude and longitude. So yeah, that's what I've got. Hope you guys enjoyed.